Welcome back, everybody. But as you can see, I am in East Texas and I'm on Toledo Bend visiting family. This lake is so clear, it's so pretty. I just finished mulching the yard. I love doing stuff like that. And I just brought the kayak. Dogs are inside. I had to sneak away because if Jupe sees me, oh my gosh, he would do nothing but bark. And that's the edge of the property. It's a beautiful day. It's about 55 degrees, really pretty. And that's actually an island, that far part right there. And then beyond that is the very large part of Toledo Bend. So I'm just gonna kind of mess around the house. I want to show you up close how clear the water is. Isn't that crazy? And all these little, they call them cypress knees. Gotta be really careful. I don't walk through this, but gotta be really careful in some parts because in a month from now, the leaves will cover those and you can't see them, and then you will be on the ground. Look how clear. Pretty. It's very sandy around here. There's not a lot of mud. Mud. Okay, I'm gonna go mess around here stealthily while Jupe doesn't see me. Look how pretty it is up here. I'm gonna go and see how far I can get up there. I've been up there with my late poodle, Josie, on land. There's a hiking trail up here when it was really kind of dry. I think it stops right where you can see that. Yep, this is the end. Somebody's old ramp. It just kind of stops. And there's a doggy right here. That's the ramp. That's a little boat ramp. Old. I see you up there. I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna bother you. We're out for a walk at the Willow Oak Campground. And we're still in East Texas for Thanksgiving break. And look at this. This is new. Y'all tell me what this is. Oh, it just got windy, of course. You know what I think this is? I think this is a handicap access. Maybe if you're, or no, is that stupid? I was thinking if you're putting your boat in the water or taking your boat out of the water, you can let the people get off the boat, or is that totally off? Come on, Gemma. Somebody tell me what this ramp is. That's gotta be what that is. What else could it be? Or getting just on and off your boat? I don't know. Huh. I've never seen anything like that. Let me know in the comments what you think this is. This is totally new since I've been here. We're gonna take the dogs down to the lake. It's pretty. It's about maybe 59, 60 degrees. Really pretty weather. There's one other camper here. I'll show you in a minute. We're gonna go down to the lake and explore, and I'll come back. I've done a video on this one before in Willow Oak. I just wanted to mention it one more time. If y'all are coming through Texas and the eastern part, this is close to Louisiana. It's free camping. There was a $4 fee, but that says free until further notice. And they do have a bathroom house. I'm not sure if I don't think there's showers in there. I'll have to look. I don't think so. I think it's just bathrooms. And there is running water here, and it's really pretty out here. Yeah, I remember now. I'm not gonna take the front because the people are on the other side, but they're pit toilets. But the water is running and working. They've got new handicap places out. So I bet you that thing down there that's for boat access. Interesting. Yeah, that handicap stuff's brand new. Huh. Only one camper. We're gonna go down here. Oh, there's more handicap signs here. Okay, good. Huh. I'll show you some of our fall color here in Texas. Oh, this is a new little area. That's nice. That's exactly what that is. So this is a handicap camping place. Okay, camping spot. Neat. A pretty area to walk the dogs. Just for something different for them. Gemma in her circuitous walking style, as always. I don't know why she does that. There's a creek bed down here. Let's go see this creek bed. Or I guess not creek bed, it's a creek. Hold on, Gemma. And I've shown y'all these before. This is the RV spots. It's crazy. It's after Thanksgiving now, and I still heard crickets. Oh, the extended stay. Let's see what it says. 28 days. Per forced order. Nice. So this time of year is when you could definitely utilize this because it's so pleasant. You know, you wouldn't do it in the summertime, but very nice. Well, I'm sure you can run a generator. There's nobody out here. But it's several RV spots. I'm going to show you this beautiful fall color over here. Let's go look at this tree. Doo-doo-doo. Very excited. Walk around. Look at that pretty tree. Do y'all know what that is? Oh, that is a hickory tree. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful. I'll show you another one too. I just stepped in an armadillo hole. Come here. What is that? Oh, something was digging. Ew. Oh yeah. Armadillo holes. Or skunk, I guess, too. Gemma's smelling. Look how pretty. Look, there's a holly tree. Oh, and did y'all see that this year, 2023, is a mast, M-A-S-T, year for acorns? If you've noticed, in Texas anyway, if you've noticed lots of acorns everywhere, that's what it's called. I'm not sure the timeline, if there's a specific timeline, but certain years there are just massive amounts of acorns. And this year there are massive amounts of acorns. That does go way down in there. The problem with walking in Texas, even in the wintertime right now, is poison ivy. So, see all this little stuff like this? You just have to kind of be careful. Oh, there's sassafras. Little sassafras. Looks like a little animal foot. Yeah, but a lot of this kind of stuff, you got to be careful. I don't want to get the dogs down in there. Off trail. We found a trail that goes down. I think this goes toward the lake. I'll insert a picture. And this says no motorized vehicles. And there's no hunting right in this area, so you wouldn't have to worry about that in the cooler months. In fact, I just found something I'm going to show you in a minute that's highly illegal. I left it there because it's too heavy to carry with me, but I'll show you in a minute. Okay, y'all want to see what I found? Let me show you. Someone has put a bag of corn out here. It looks like they're going to plan to come back here with it and other feed to feed deer. And this is hunting season. And this is highly, highly illegal in the National Forest. You cannot feed any wildlife in the National Forest. It's a huge, huge fine. So I'm going to pick this up, and when I drive by the truck, I'm going to pick it up. Just in case those campers put this out here. I don't know if they did or not, but you know how that is. But I'm going to pick it up. Yikes. Okay, we're headed back to the truck. Wouldn't you know, as soon as I picked up that bag of corn, I walked down the way to the main road. A car was coming, so I chunked it behind a pine tree. So I'm gonna go pick it up in the truck. Nobody out here. This would be a perfect spot to overnight. Really pretty. Cool, look what we found. That's like a little offshoot. Lily pads. Pretty. Birds all over the place. Gemma got up on this log. That's a big tree. It's a big tree, Gemma. Oh. Nobody saw it. I'm gonna pick it up. And I know what you're thinking. I was going to leave this and call the game warden, you know, and leave it, let him come find it. But how long is that going to take? And I'll just do it for him. How'd you like that walk, Juke? Yeah, they both got clippied and they look cute. Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.